So here's 3 different ways I like to approach contouring so that it's unclockable, but I still look really sculpted. Number 1 is I never take product and directly apply it to my face. I might do it once in a while for a video for like demonstration purposes, but realistically to me, one of the best and most important steps to get a really good contour is just taking the product on the brush and using the brush building up that sculpt on the face. 2, it's really the shape of it. I do my makeup in the more like male style. Personally, on me, do not like a angled down or very rounded out contour. One of the big hacks that you see is people saying from the top of the ear to the bottom of the mouth. That's not the shape of my normal cheekbone. My normal cheekbone is more elevated from like the top of my ear to like the bottom of my nose. So that's how I do that shape. So instead of going down this way, I'll go more across from the top of my ear, especially because I want to elevate and really lift that cheekbone. So I'm going right at the edge of that cheekbone and stippling it in like that and building up more coverage as I see fit. And then for reference, this is the Fenty Sculpting Brush and this is the Fenty Match Stix in Mocha. And the last thing I do when I want to do a very, very pronounced chisel, but again, I still want to keep it a little bit natural, is instead of concentrating a lot of the product towards the back here, I actually end up concentrating a good amount right here at the edge and right underneath my, like the apple of my cheekbone. This really helps kind of really bring out that cheekbone and make you look a lot more like chiseled. And again, I'm really just focusing that stipple right there and then I'll blend it back up towards the cheekbone. And voila, sculpted, not sculpted. And then I do this with contour and then I'll diffuse the top out with a bronzer if I see fit, or if I'm lazy, I will just use a bronzer for the step. Let me know if you have any more contour hacks.